Hi there, I'm Rebecca with lychee, and if you're looking for a fragrance that gives you 1,000 compliments, then this is the one for you. I'm currently obsessed with the Sol de Janeiro fragrance 68 because it smells amazing. This fragrance is everything because it gives such a fresh, tropical, beachy Brazilian summer vibe. It's a hair and body mist, so when I spray it on my hair and body, I don't feel like I'm overdoing it. It comes in the cutest pink bottle and I love having it on my vanity. It just makes it look so pretty and feminine. I wear this fragrance literally every day, whether it's going to run errands, going to work, or just hanging out with friends. Another thing that I notice is that I love putting the fragrance on top of lotion. I just find that it lasts longer. Another huge bonus about this fragrance is that I like to pair it up sometimes with another perfume as well, but you totally don't have to because it's great on its own as well. Honestly, this is one of those sprays that I just keep reaching for. It works for any occasion, it smells amazing, and makes me feel like I'm on a little Brazilian beach no matter where I am. So if you want to smell amazing without having that heavy perfume smell, then I totally recommend this product. And that's my point of view.